is because you need to start thinking about what you're doing. And if you don't want to do the right thing for yourself, then do it for your children. Because I'm telling you, if you go to prison, by the time you are released, your children will not recognize your face, won't know who you are. They'll be calling someone else dad. You need, Mr. Bearfield, the court previously informed you and informed your attorney that I have previously represented your uncle, Christopher.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a chance to discuss that with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you waiving any conflict I may have? What I can tell you is I'm going to be fair. I don't have any conflict. All right. Okay. Defense, have you had a chance to speak with your client?
We did, Your Honor, and he had no conflict with you presiding over his case.
All right. Counsel, have you received all discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. It's one of those days. You know how they say, I know it like the back of my hand? Well, I got a little bit lost because I looked at my hand. I'm like, I don't recognize that. See what happens when you age? By indictment, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You understand? You're going to need to speak up so that the court will. Do you need a break, Cindy? Let me know when you're ready or if you need a break. Okay. All right. Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, counsel, and the right to remain silent? Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Did you understand? Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bearfield, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine and the state is recommending deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service, restitution.
No contest.
You have a choice, guilty,
No contest.
not guilty, or no contest.
I'm not used to
That's okay. So how do you plead?
no contest.
State, any evidence?
It offers state's part.
No objections, Your Honor, for purposes of the plea.
And state, is there a reason the request for anger management?
It will be in the STIP, so
Okay.
that piece was, well, I guess we stipulate the evidence that's stipulated to is turned into our office. I'm not sure why this was not generated, but when I went back to the discovery, I thought that this was part of it.
All right. After viewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That the court follow the plea agreement that we have arranged with the state of Texas.
All right. How old are you?
32.
32. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
8 and 13.
And do they live with you?
No, ma'am.
Do you have regular contact with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a quality inspector.
And what are you expecting?
Beverages.
I'm sorry, what?
Beverages.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. For 5 years.
I'm sorry, what?
Been doing it for 5 years.
If you're drug tested today, what would the results be?
I'll give you negative.
Okay, why are you doing this?
I would just say I was at the wrong place at the wrong time.
No, you were not at the wrong place at the wrong time because that pink, according to the stipulations, the pink backpack was yours.
According to stipulations.
I mean, do you want to be in prison?
No, ma'am.
And let me just tell you, the reason why I ask these questions is because you need to start thinking about what you're doing. And if you don't want to do the right thing for yourself, then do it for your children. Because I'm telling you, if you go to prison, by the time you are released, your children will not recognize your face, won't know who you are. They'll be calling someone else dad. You need to step up to the plate and start doing your job and doing better and making the Bearfield name a good name because you're the third. And if the second and the first before you didn't do the right thing, then you need to do something. You understand? All right, this is what the court is going to order. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 40 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Do you live by yourself?
No, ma'am.
Who do you live with?
My grandmother.
Okay. Why? Why don't you have your own place?
It's because I've always lived there. I take care of my grandma.
How do you take care of her?
I just make sure I'm there to give her love and care.
Do you pay bills at that location?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be a freeloader, all right?
No,
Make sure you pay the bills there and don't bring drama and chaos to your grandmother's house. What I've learned from my time as a prosecutor and defense attorney, usually people are at grandmother's house because grandmother is just, sleeping, not on top of everything that's going on in their house, and people just use her house as a hangout. Do not do that to your grandmother. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
And they're going to be field visits at that house. So there's to be field visits one time per month until further notice. The MRT course, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you graduate from school?
No, ma'am.
Why not?
Something happened at school, and I just didn't get back to complete.
All right. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, 60 of those hours will be deemed satisfied. For the remaining hours, you can either do 60 hours, which they're going to have you outside picking up trash in the heat. They're probably not going to let you do anything while it's cold. It'll be during the heat, right? You can either do those 60 hours or either you can obtain your GED or some type of trade school certification. 5 years deferred adjudication. And anger management. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? I'm sorry?
Let's see. Gonna go over the misdemeanor charges.
I'm sorry, what? Okay.
No.
We do want to clarify something for the court, Your Honor. You said no unsupervised visit with minors. Does that include his children?
Mm-hmm. until once you completed the parenting classes, then I usually lift that. And let me just tell you why in this court, normally I will give people parenting classes. The reason why I do that is because when people are picking up offenses, they're not thinking about their children. And you need to realize that your children can't take care of themselves and they're 100% dependent upon you and your support. And if you're in jail or if you're in prison, you're not able to support them. So those classes, I've actually taken a parenting class because I like to see what I'm asking people to do. Depending on which person is giving the class, those classes are very informative for you. And it's something that you can probably add to whatever you've already learned from your parents, the good things, okay?
Yes.
All right. So is there anything else you need from the court to help you be successful on this probation agreement? And because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And so what's up with the tattoos?
Just, it says God.
Okay.
It's a God tattoo, and it says prolific. That's just me. Just,
All right. I'm always interested.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, for example, did the face tattoo hurt?
Not really.
People always say that after the fact, but my understanding, when it's being done, it's painful.
It was small, so it didn't hurt.
Let's go get one.
All right. Once you start, you can't stop because otherwise you didn't spell the complete word. All right. Good luck to you in this court. In order to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come to the court. Whatever you do not just stop reporting
Yes, ma'am.
because no good can come of that, okay?
Right.
All right, good luck to you. Just remain in the courtroom and probation will go.
Thank you for watching this episode of The Judge Eye. Every case tells a story, and we bring those stories to you. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next real courtroom moment.